What are you singing, Layla? Do you want to sing for your friends? Na 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 na. Good. Use a little more here. And good. And then we have to preheat the oven in 350. And I'm going to add this here. And we will be ready to put it in the oven, okay? Perfect. Everything inside. Okay. Now that we have it here, let's go to the oven. Put it inside. Remember 350, and we're gonna wait like 40 minutes. Okay? So let's go. Okay, my friends, let's put this in the oven. So here, and let's wait. Okay. Okay, amigos, so now we have here our orange cake. So I want to show you. It looks beautiful and it smells delicious. So it was around 40 minutes in the oven, and as you see, it's super easy to make it. And I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna show you how it's inside. I'm going to cut it here. Okay, so you can see how it's inside, right? It smells delicious and it's so soft. Really good. So with only 2 oranges, you can make this delicious cake. So if you make it at home, please send us the picture of the video or the video. And I'm so happy that you are watching this video and still with us making these recipes too. So I send you kisses and hugs. Layla, you're gonna say bye? Are you coming here and saying bye to your friends? Layla's saying bye for there. She's so tired right now. But well, we're going to enjoy this cake. I hope you do it too. And kisses, mwah! Big hug and bye bye. See you.
Ah, una ramita está. Come on.